Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Singer Steam Iron. This is the model with 2400 watts power. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manuals. The cable length it is 1.5 meters. I like the thickness, the socket, adjustable here, the container, maximum 100 ml, you can use it to fill up with water. On a black, blue and grey color. Sole plate, very smooth. We have the holes for the steam, the water tank, 320 ml the capacity. We can see here the maximum. Self-cleaning button. It is important to apply self-cleaning often to remove impurities and more. The harder the water, the more the iron should be self-cleaned. Here it is the temperature dial. Adjusting from synthetic silk to wool or cotton and linen. Indicator here, that's how you will know when the steam iron is ready to use. Soft elements at the top on a very affordable price, only 21 euros. It feels very durable for this price. Here we have two buttons, the water spray and the burst of steam button. For the spray, ensure that there is enough water in the water tank. The laundry can be damped down to make them softer and easier to iron. And here we have the steam knob, adjusting the steam, maximum, low to maximum. For burst of steam, set the dial at the max position here. As well we have the anti-calc function, filters the minerals from the water to prevent mineral residue built up at the steam glumper and prolongs the operational life of the iron. I like it. With the anti-trip, the iron will stop steaming automatically when the temperature is too low to prevent water from dripping out from the sole plate. So many functions. Here it is the water spray nozzle, the water fill cover, silicone rubber inside, and here. Just love it how it looks. It can say just like that. Definitely you can use it with one hand. Operate here the temperature, the spray and the steam, and adjust here. So let's fill up with water. I think 200 ml it will be okay for now. The spray function. Nice. I really like the strong steam output and smooth glide, as well as how easy it is to handle for quick touch-ups or full ironing sessions. If you're looking for that crisp, dry cleaned look without the price tag of a dry cleaner, this is a fantastic choice. The ceramic sole plate glides effortlessly over fabrics, and the steam output is powerful enough to smooth out stubborn greases in denim or linen in a single pass. It's a reliable, classic tool from a brand that has been the authority on fabric care for over a century. It's simple, effective, and built to last. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on home appliances, practical gadgets, and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, keep your clothes looking sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.